Hi folks, this is a video tab for Mike Rutherford's 12-string part for the musical box, the studio version. The first part was thoroughly covered by Paulo Carvalho. The link to his YouTube channel you can find in the description. I also highly recommend his books. He does really great work. A few comments before we start. First thing, of course, is the unusual tuning for Rutherford's 12-string. So the sixth course is just regular E. The fifth course is A. Fourth course is D. So that's all normal tuning. But then the top three courses are in F sharp. So third course is lowered to F sharp. Second course is lowered to F sharp, and the first course is up one step to F sharp. And then you'll recognize if you just do a power chord, F sharp power chord, and you play the open chords, it just sounds amazing. And of course these opening chords. Right? I've indexed several parts. And in the first section that I've called the flute solo section, you can hear Rutherford's 12-string in the right channel very clearly. On the left, you have Banks's 12-string in standard tuning. The following section is the guitar solo section. I hope to have time to put up Hackett's part eventually, but this is my first time doing this, and I realize how much work this represents. It's quite daunting. So hats off to Paulo and all others who do this kind of stuff. You'll notice also I didn't tab all the strumming. This can be picked out and figured out pretty easily. So I hope you enjoy. Here we go.
Just a little bit more time left to live out my life. Play me my song. Play me my song. She's a merry old soul, and a merry old soul was he. So he called for his pipe, and he called for his bowl, and he called for his fiddlers three. But the clock tick-tock on the mantelpiece, and I want, and I feel, and I know, and I touch. She's a lady, she's got time. Brush back your hair and let me get to know your face. She is a lady, she is mine.